Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Haley. In this video I show you how I did this fun festival bright blue teal bronzy look. I did it with the ColourPop Mar palette, so go ahead and keep watching to see how I did this look. So first things first, this is the box ColourPop sends stuff in. It is so cute. I love that. It also had like more packaging in here, but I've already opened this before. I just wanted to show how cute this box is because I opened it up and was like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So this is the palette. It is the Mar palette by ColourPop. This is so cute. I already opened this and looked at this, as I said, on my birthday. This is a gift from my friend Sam. I actually filmed myself opening this the first time on my birthday, so I'll put that in right now. Here's me opening it. I figured since it's my birthday, we should have like a mini unboxing in this. One of my best friends, Sam, got me something from ColourPop for my birthday, and I know that because it said ColourPop on the box. Oh, I'm already so excited. You can't see yet. Oh, this is so, she knows me so well. Ah, it's so cute. It's gonna be a little eyeshadow palette. This one's called Mar, like the sea, Spanish. I love the ocean, if you can't tell from my room. It's so cute. I love it. Aw. Okay. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, I'm definitely gonna do a video on, I need to use this color. And this, I need to use all of these. Okay, I'm gonna do an eye look on this in one of my videos coming up soon. Oh, I'm so excited. Thanks, Sam. Stay tuned for this video. And here we are back again. Like I said in that clip, I was gonna make a video on this. Here we are. I'm super excited. I love this. Ooh, I wore a really good shirt for this. Look how nice this is gonna go. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do yet. I know I want to use this color, this color. I think I'm gonna use all but this one. I don't think this is in my mind today of what I'm gonna do. Maybe it'll get in there. I don't know. I'm not gonna use any other eyeshadows other than what's in this palette, so we're gonna see what full look we can make with just this palette alone. So, first things first, there's pretty much only one transition shade, which is Sorbet, and it is this nice little brown one. So let's go ahead and start there, I guess, because it's kind of where we have to start. Okay, let me pull the plastic off so I can... Ooh, that's a pretty good mirror. Not that you guys can tell, but I'm letting you know it's a good mirror. So let's go ahead and tap into it, pick up some color. Let's go for it. Just blending this, that blended so easily, oh my gosh. Already impressed. I have never used ColourPop makeup before, surprisingly, considering how much makeup I buy. If you like really natural makeup, obviously this is not a natural palette by any means, but that color, Sorbet, a lot of times in the morning I'll just take bronzer and kind of sweep it into my eyes, but I think I might just like whip this out and like just put this in my crease just like this, because that took like 5 seconds per eye, and then just put on a little mascara and I'd be good to go. That like created such a perfect definition. What an amazing transition color. Okay, we're gonna build it up a little bit more, kind of focusing in the outer V here, and then blend it through. Okay, that is the transition shade in place. So I think I have an idea of putting this on the lower lash line. This one is Highway, probably it's just HWY. I'm assuming that means highway. I don't really know. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put this and this blue color like close to the lash line, either top or bottom, and then kind of go for a bronzy orange, like these shades for the rest of my eye. So I'm gonna go in with Boozy, which is like the orangish shimmer shade here, and pat this in the outer corner and all over. Actually, we're gonna just go for it. because this is actually quite light colored. Oh, look how nice that goes with my shirt. These are so easy to blend. Like, I feel like I'm not even trying and I'm kind of doing this sloppily because it's literally just blending like a dream. Okay, so now we have that color down. Oh, what do I want to do? Do I want to do like a cut crease with the teal in the center? I think I do. I think I do. Okay, okay, I'm gonna go for the cut crease. I have never even done one before, so let's see what happens. I've watched enough YouTube though to see how it goes down, hopefully. Before I do that though, I need like an outer V color that's darker. Okay, so I'm gonna take Top Down, which is quite drastically darker than the rest, so this is a little iffy. Maybe I should start with Wild One. No, I'll start with Wild One before I go to that one. And just kind of darken up. My confusion, because that like does not even seem darker than Boozy. Oh no, it definitely is. There's a swatch. Boozy, Wild One. This is the one I'm at. It's not that much darker though. Like, look how much darker it looks in the pan. But on my hand, it's not that drastic. That's why when I just like put it on my eye, I was like, this literally just is kind of barely darker than the other color. Like it... Those are too similar in my opinion. They don't look like it in the pan or on the palette, but they're too similar. I think those needed to be bigger variation in color. It's a gorgeous color, don't get me wrong. It's just like, it's too similar. So let me go ahead and take Top Down. I've been using the same brush for this whole thing. I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown eye blender brush to just blend this together. No fallout, by the way. I just realized that there's no fallout at all, which is really convenient. Oh, okay. That is really coming along. A really good, just like regular daytime look would be this with a little bit of like Boozy underneath the lash line and mascara. I think that would be like a really pretty bronzy summer look. But we're trying to use some color here. So we're gonna go in for more. While this brush is still like brown colored, because I only have one really good brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take Boozy under the lash line. And a little bit of Sorbet, which was our transition color from the beginning. And put that down there too. Okay, so yeah, if I added mascara right now, this would be a perfect look that I would wear on just like a regular day basis. I feel like I keep getting powder in my eyes. Where is my concealer brush and my concealer? Where are you? I don't know. I can't see. Okay, so I'm gonna take some on the back of my hand. Gosh, I'm almost out. So I'm just gonna take this and we're gonna try to do a cut crease for the first time. Don't mind my posture as I like hunch down to do this. It's actually going all right, I think. Okay, there's one side done. Here's the next one. Okay, cool. Not as bad as I thought it would be. I'm gonna go straight in with my finger. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna do a better swatch than that. I'm so excited. Let's see, let's see. Oh. Oh, that is neon. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be crazy. All right, let's go. Bennett, what is wrong with you? Okay, and I'm gonna take the brush and get the places like the inner corner of my eye that I couldn't reach because of my nails. The biggest tip when doing crazy eye makeup is it usually always looks like when you're at this point like, oh my god, what did I just do? But once you get like liner and mascara on, it all pulls together. So I'm really holding on to that right now because I'm looking at this like, oh my god, what have I done? But we're gonna trust the process that this is gonna come together. I am really proud of my skills of doing a cut crease for the first time though, because I feel like this is pretty good. Okay, so now I have like wiped off the excess on this brush. I'm gonna kind of blend these edges a little bit first. And now I'm gonna go into Boozy. It's kind of making like a yellow gold center, like the combination of these two. And I'm really living for it actually. Now I'm just taking it right through here. I feel like a mermaid. Okay, that actually I feel like is gonna look pretty good once I have mascara and stuff on. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a Sigma E55 eye shading brush and I'm gonna take a little bit more Sorbet. This is a a more tightly packed, denser brush than the one I was using before, so this is gonna apply a lot more of Sorbet onto there. Right into that lower lash line and really kind of smoke it out roughly. I'm going to take a Sigma E30 and some of Gridlock, which is this blue, and I'm going to put this here, if it shows up. Cool. Gonna take the E55 brush that I used to add, oh, now I'm seeing some fallout. Ooh. It looks like it was the Boozy shade that I saw some fallout, maybe once I packed it on with my finger or something. Okay, sorry, my camera died. What you missed all was my eyeliner. I took Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion and this little eyeliner brush, and I just kind of took it on the end and made these wings. So now all we need to do is mascara. So let me just curl my lashes. Let me this. And now I'm going to take Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara and put this on. This is the finished look. I have just put on mascara. I wish I had fake eyelashes, but I don't. I think that would have really finished the look. I think this is really fun festival makeup. I think this palette is perfect for the festival season that is approaching us. The colors blended super easily, very minimal fallout. I think this palette is fantastic. I'm definitely going to buy more ColourPop stuff. But yes, this is the finished look. Go ahead and comment down below what you thought of it. give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I come out with videos every week. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.